once you first open the application, we'll pretty much ask you what you're saving for. All you need to do is just enter your information. Let's say I'm saving for a new phone. I select that option, and the new phone, I'm just going to select something random, guys. As you can see here, it will ask me the price for the phone. I'm just going to select that here, and as you can see here, when I want to purchase this phone, I can pretty much set a date, say 2025 December the 30. Let's set it on 20. Let's set it on that and tap on continue. Once you're done, we'll generate a saving plan for you so you can get your favorite or whatever goal you're saving for. So you just tap on continue here. As you can see here, how much I need to save daily, weekly, and also monthly for me to achieve that goal. So just show your subscription fee, just tap on the X option here, and as well you can see here what I'm saving for a new phone. But do make sure you select the right icon as it relates to your new phone, because you don't want to get it mixed up as to what you're saving for. So if I do tap on this option here, it will pretty much show me how I'm doing as it relates to saving. As you can see, I have total of that I was supposed to come up with. As you can see here, I haven't deposited anything. So let's say I've put down 10k in my house somewhere, so I can either go with their recommendation, as it says, you can see here, $2,381 daily, or I can go with their weekly recommendation, whichever one choose or fits your needs. So if you want to complete or get your phone as your set date, you're gonna need to follow the daily or the weekly rules. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you don't have that amount of money, you can always just stop on the deposit option. And let's say you have $5,000, you want to put down $5,000, and I'm saying something random here, you can add your notes and just tap on save, and that's, you had your $5,000. It doesn't matter if it's they give you a daily or weekly, it's what you can deposit in it this year. You can also withdraw it. Let's say something the emergency come up and you have to withdraw it, you can go ahead and withdraw that amount as well. Keep track of everything. So very good app if you're gonna save for anything at all. I would recommend it. And as well, you can add a new goal by just tapping on the new goal option down here, and the top up here where you see the house icon, you can also tap on that and pretty much select representation of what you're saving for. Let's say a laptop. Now I'm saving for a laptop, and you can add the name, laptop, and the amount as well here, and I'm pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna add a amount. I'll set something random, and this is pretty much the target date that I want to get the laptop. And once I'm just tap on the create option, it will pretty much be created. So very easy, and in the record section we'll just pretty much track on your transaction as it relates to this application here. With 3 lines, nothing much. In the achieve goal section, pretty much explains itself, and the crown icon at the top here will show the subscription page and pretty much what we're getting if you do subscribe to their pro subscription and so forth. So very good application if you're planning to save for some Christmas gift. So make sure you download the application, test it out, let me know in the comment section. Still don't understand, comment below as well. See you guys in the next one.